Hi there, this is Monk Looks Theo. Today I will be doing a short video on the geometric clock with the sun, moon, and how that represents Genesis, mainly focusing on the moon. The geometric clock with the rotating celestial objects along the tropics of Capricorn and Cancer represents a revolution around a single point. That single point represents singularity. Singularity isn't just a single point or object, but a cluster of functions that make one function or object, kind of like the human body. The human body is made up of a series of parts that serve a particular function to make you, or if you were to say it, me or I. I represents singularity when you're phonetically talking. So singularity is a cluster of functions. The oscillating moon, when it's following its sin wave path, has a series of phases. When at the new moon phase, that represents Genesis, or the start of a single point. Then you go from a single point to another point, and that you can see in the first moon phase in its curve. It represents angular momentum. Angular momentum comes from pi. Angular momentum is what a seed uses to break open its seed shell and sprout. And if you've ever seen a seed sprout, you can see that the new sprout is kind of in a spiral form. That is from the angular of momentum. So, angular momentum represents going from Genesis to form, or from seed to flower, or from the seed of life to the flower of life. Thank you. Have a good day, and I love you all.